Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own AI-generated animated film, completely free, with no editing experience required, no subscription fee, and totally ready for YouTube monetization. Here's a sneak peek of the film I made using just free AI tools.
In the heart of the jungle, giant beasts ruled not with fear, but with balance. But peace shattered when something unnatural claimed the skies. The guardians of the wild had no choice but to run or fight. With a roar that shook the trees, the king fought back. Together they rose, not just as beasts, but as heroes of the wild. And once more the jungle breathed in peace, guarded by its giants.
And no, we're not talking about those basic AI slideshows that get demonetized in seconds. This is about creating original content, something you've actually built yourself, using powerful free AI tools. If it's your own idea, your own visuals, and your own voice, YouTube says you're good to go, and I'll show you how to make it all happen. So let's dive in. Starting with the story. I'm using ChatGPT to write a mini film script. Here's a cool prompt you can try. I've added the prompt in the description below. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate a creative and original story based on that. ChatGPT will also generate an image prompt, voiceover, sound effects, and background music your scene. You can change the theme if you want. Maybe a futuristic city, a magical underwater world, or even a haunted space station. Be as creative as you like. Once the story is ready, it's time to create visuals that look like real movie scenes. For that, I'm using Picklerman. It's a free AI image tool that gives you cinematic, detailed images that feel like they're straight out of a Pixar or DreamWorks film. Head to the site, sign up for a free account, hit create, and set your image ratio to 16:9. Perfect for YouTube. Then, copy the image prompt of your first scene from ChatGPT and paste into Picklerman. Hit generate, and in a few seconds, you'll get an image that looks like it belongs in a real animated film. Repeat this process to create all the scenes from your story. Once you're done, download everything and save them. We'll need these for the next step. Now let's bring those images to life and turn them into short video clips. To avoid credit limits and long wait times, I'm using a combo of two tools, Sand.ai and Pixverse. Each gives you free credits, and using all two helps you work faster and generate more content daily. Perfect if you want to post regularly. Start with Sand.ai. This tool offers HD quality results and gives you 500 free credits to start after signing up. And you can even use for all your generation. Now upload your image, copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it. Choose how long you want the animation to be, maybe 5 or 10 seconds. And then hit generate. It will turn your static image into a short animated clip, and you can download it once it's ready. Finally, hop over to Pixverse AI. This one gives you 60 free credits when you sign up, and it also adds new credits each day. After signing up, click generate video, then upload your image, paste the prompt, set the duration, 5 or 8 seconds, and generate. Super smooth and easy. If you're getting ideas already, hit that like button. It helps a ton. Once you've animated all your scenes, it's time to generate voiceover, sound effects, and background music. This is what really makes it feel like a movie. Let's start with voiceover. There are a bunch of free text-to-speech tools out there, but my personal favorites are 11 Labs, DupDub, and OpenAI TTS. They've got voices that sound supernatural, way better than robotic-sounding TTS from a few years ago. I'm using DupDub for this project. I'll pick a voice that fits the vibe of the story, maybe a calm narrator or a quirky character voice. Then I'll copy the voiceover lines from each scene, paste them in, and generate it. Once it's ready, I just download and save it. Now head over to Pixabay and go to the music section. Then return to ChatGPT. Copy the name of the background music it provided and paste it into the Pixabay search bar. You'll find several matching tracks. Just browse through and download the one that fits best. Repeat the same process for the sound effects ChatGPT suggested for each scene. Change the music section to sound effect. Search with the prompt, preview, and download the perfect match for your film. Now comes the fun part, editing everything together. I'm using CapCut for this, but feel free to use any video editor you prefer. Start by importing your animated clips, voiceover lines, sound effects, and background music. Then, line up all the scenes on the timeline, from scene 1 all the way to the final scene. Next, add the sound effects for each scene. Trim any unnecessary parts, lower the volume slightly, and make sure everything syncs well with the visuals. Now, add your voiceover lines, followed by the background music. Again, trim where needed, increase the voiceover volume a bit, and lower the background music so it doesn't overpower the narration. To make your video more dynamic, add transitions and animations. Use a fade-in animation for the first scene and a fade-out for the last. Then, insert smooth transitions between scenes to keep the flow engaging and realistic. Finally, let's take care of that watermark. Click Add Text and choose the default text option. Stretch it to cover the entire video. Change the text to your channel name or any name you prefer. Then scroll down to select a background color. Position the text box over the watermark and adjust the size until it fits just right. And that's it. You've got yourself a complete AI-made short film. Imagine doing this every week, building an entire AI film channel from scratch, using nothing but free tools and your creative ideas. No subscriptions, no paid software. And since it's all original content, your videos are fully eligible for YouTube monetization. Now let's take a look at what we just created.
Something ancient has awakened deep within the jungle. The skies answer the call of the wild. As titans rise to defend their ancient home, when danger strikes, the wild does not run, it roars back. Together, they stand, guardians of the last wild frontier. This is their world, and they will fight to the last roar.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI-powered content, and drop a comment below sharing the kind of story you're planning to create. I've got plenty more tutorials coming soon, so stay tuned.